In February, CBFC refused certification to Lipstick Under My Burqa for being lady-oriented and containing sexual scenes and abusive words. But finally, Prakash Jha produced and Alankrita Srivastav directed Lipstick Under My Burqa will see the light of day after the High Court has ruled out any reason why the film should not be allowed to release by the censor board. The producer and director shared their thoughts on the same and the delay that their hard work has faced due to the CBFC.
Frankly speaking, it is common sense. When I first read the CBFC decision, their wordings and the way they had seen the film, I really laughed. In fact, the last time also when we were talking, I mean, I felt, you know, in Hindi there is a word called hasyaspad. It is ridiculous. Like, you know, how can you interpret a story like this? We all know that in our society, and not in only our society, I think in every society, we have now taken it for granted that women will have to kind of like look, behave, think, dream in a particular way which is entirely male thought oriented, male oriented, simple. They will be part of our life, but just as we want them to be. That women cannot think, cannot aspire, cannot think about their career, cannot dream, cannot talk about their sexuality, their satisfaction. That has been kind of like, you know, a well understood norm. Here was this story, this, you know, such a lovely little story where four women in a very normal conversation, very funny kind of anecdote, were talking about their dreams, were talking about their feelings, about their bodies, about their sexualities, about their career, about, you know, their aspirations. And, you know, what happens? Like a male gazing, mind oriented CBFC, you know, gets scared about it. How can you tell, how can women talk about themselves? You know, how can they think? So I was very, very confident that, you know, if we present it properly and if there is a set of people who look at it from a very rational point of view, and that's exactly what, I mean, if you read this FCAT kind of like order, it talks about the relevance and importance of the film. And nothing from the film has been, you know, asked to be deleted except some 10 seconds here or a 10 seconds there and a word or two over here. That also, I think, because, you know, they have the system and the power of kind of like, you know, asking you to delete a particular thing. Otherwise, I think it's a completely reverse decision of CBFC observation. And you know, and one is happy about it, and one is confident that, you know, you can talk, you can speak, and you can make such films. And the best part of it is that for the reason that Alankrita made this film, that is already being discussed so widely.
It's a very, very big win, and I feel very vindicated and very validated, because I think the exact reason why we were opposing the CBFC decision, because we really did feel that they did not understand the film, or they chose to not understand it. I think the FCAT has completely sort of called the CBFC out on its decision and ruled in our favor. And I feel it's not just a win for me, I feel it's a win for all the women of India who I felt like I was fighting not just for Lipstick on My Burqa and for myself, but I really felt that it was such an important thing that you know, women's voices should not and cannot be silenced, and women's stories need to be told. And I'm very, very happy, and I really feel that we got so much support from so many women across the country, and so many men, of course. But that I think it's a win for everybody, and it's a win for women and for the freedom of expression.
They spoke at length at a media press conference and important points were raised by both. Let's hear what the duo had to share with us.
हमने यही मांगा था, हमने शुरू से ये मांगा था, हमें पता है कि मतलब क्योंकि जिस तरह की थीम थी और जिस तरह की बात की गई थी वो एडल्ट्स को ही देखनी चाहिए। और जो एफकैट ने, सीबीएफसी ने तो हमें साफ मना कर दिया था, कहा हम देंगे ही नहीं सर्टिफिकेट, आपको कंसिडर ही नहीं करेंगे, कोई बात ही नहीं की उन्होंने। जब अलंकृता ने उनसे कुछ मुंह खोला कि कौन से कट एंड कट्स नहीं, हम देंगे ही नहीं सर्टिफिकेट आपको, तो ये कमाल की स्थिति थी। उसके बाद उन्होंने जो लिखा था तो उसके मतलब बराबरी में देखें तो एफकैट ने हमारी बात सुनी, फिल्म को देखा, अप्रिशिएट किया और इवेंचुअली हमें थोड़ा सा कुछ सीन्स के कुछ सेकंड्स काटने को और एक दो वर्ड्स, वो निर्णय मैंने अलंकृता के ऊपर छोड़ा था कि आप देख करके बताओ, अगर आपको आपकी फिल्म में कोई जाति कोई बदलाव तो नहीं आ रहा, कोई फ़र्क तो नहीं पड़ रहा। उन्होंने देखा और कल ही डिसीजन आया था, कल ही रात को इन्होंने कुछ 2:53 के ऊपर में मुझे एक मैसेज भेजा जो मैंने सुबह देखा कि नहीं मैं कट्स कर सकती हूँ और आई एम ओके विथ इट। तो हमने निर्णय लिया कि भाई अब हम लोगों को बता दें कि हमें मान्य है एफकैट का निर्णय और हम अप्रिशिएट करते हैं इस चीज़ को।
Well, when asked whether Prakash Jha would like to be a part of the censor board, let's hear what he had to say to that as well.
बनेंगे तो हम अपनी तरह से इंटरप्रेट करना शुरू करेंगे। हम ऐसा नहीं करना चाहते कि हम बनेंगे तो सब ठीक कर देंगे। हमारी अपनी सोच होगी उसकी तरफ से, इसलिए हमें बनाओ ही मत, हमें अधिकार ही मत दो ना। वो कोई हमारे रूप में कोई नया जो है टॉर्चर करने वाला आदमी आ गया तो क्या करोगे तुम? इसलिए वो किसी को भी वो अधिकार दो ही मत, वो निकाल ही दो उस चीज को।
Well, cuts or no cuts, films do get released, so we really wonder what was all the fuss about. And anyways, Lipstick Under My Burqa has got an A certificate which the producer and director had been asking for. So why did the CBFC take such a long time just to get a stick from the High Court?